Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about success with your online business. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. For more information about success with your online business, head over to my website and sign up for my weekly newsletter. How to start an online business from home, simple steps to success. The first question that people who are looking to find success with their online business often ask is how to start an online business from home. It's not the most difficult process to get started in the business industry. In fact, you can start by setting up a home business on your own. People who are interested in success with their online business usually find that when they learn how to start an online business from home, they quickly see that it's possible to build a successful business on their own. With this fact, many people find that they have the time to run their own business. When learning how to start an online business from home, there are many different things that you need to consider. One of the main things that you will want to think about is how you can promote your business. Once you've figured out how to promote, you will then be able to start making money on the internet. It may sound simple, but making money on the internet is not the easiest thing in the world, so you will want to make sure that you learn all of the different things that you need to do in order to get started on the right foot. You should also consider learning how to manage your finances and how to budget your money in order to succeed with your online business. When learning how to start an online business from home, you can use a free or inexpensive tool to make sure that you make money. While you will definitely want to learn how to market online, you may not want to spend thousands of dollars on advertising. If you are learning how to start an online business from home, you will want to take the time to learn about things like AdWords and other tools that you can use to market your website. By using these tools, you will be able to make money even if you don't advertise at all. There are different ways to promote that can help you make money on the internet. One of the ways that you can make money is by finding out what affiliate programs are available to you, or you can make money by creating blogs. You will need to find ways to promote your blog so that people will visit your blog on a regular basis. When you know how to start an online business from home, you will want to consider finding ways to monetize your blog. Blogging is something that is more popular now than ever before, but it can still be quite confusing. Because of this, you may find that there are tons of people who aren't even familiar with blogging. Because of this, you will want to learn how to promote your blog. You can easily do this by learning how to make money through Google AdSense, which is one of the many ways that you can make money through blogging. There are several new ways that you can make money from blogs, but the most popular ones tend to be things like Google AdSense and link sharing. If you think about it, these are just two of the many ways that you can earn money through blogging. While it may seem that starting a business from home is going to be very difficult, if you learn how to start an online business from home, you will find that it's actually easy. While you may still have a lot of research to do in order to make sure that you have a successful business, the good news is that it's easier than ever before. The intro to online business is the key to success. The most common misconceptions about the intro to online business are, people will need access to a computer, software, and internet access. But this is not the case. What these misconceptions fail to mention is that successful online businesses can be operated from any place, including mobile phones, tablets, and laptops. And they require minimal startup costs. Anybody who wants to be involved in online marketing will find that this is the best way to get started with an online business. So if you're one of those who believe that starting an online business requires the purchase of a book or even an introductory course, it's time to look at these preconceived notions. Successful online businesses don't require these things and are very easy to set up. They will provide you with the skills you need to be successful at running your own online business. The internet has become so accessible that most people now have the ability to do their shopping, communication, and banking from home. In fact, you may only need to leave your home for a short period of time to attend a business meeting or even a school function. Just think how important it is to keep the connectivity to the internet. You would certainly miss out on a lot of these opportunities if you relied solely on landlines. A startup costs less than $100 and can be achieved by anybody. All you need is a computer, a telephone, a monthly service charge, and a piece of downloadable software. This is more than sufficient to generate a profit. In today's competitive market, there are thousands of small companies out there. They are hungry for the same opportunities and training that the big players have to offer. But in order to succeed in these environments, you will need the skills and knowledge that will allow you to target this consumer base and attract them into buying products from you. In order to attract the attention of these consumers, the internet will help you achieve success in successful online businesses. Using the right strategies, you can effectively target these customers by becoming a trusted source of information. It is your goal to build an online business empire that will become the #1 source of information for these consumers. To achieve true success, you must understand that the goals and objectives of the company you are operating are always in direct proportion to the success of your internet business. Without the proper knowledge, objectives, and goals, no matter how much effort you put into building the online business, you will fail. The marketing strategies you use will also play a role in your success as well. You must understand that you will not become successful overnight. The techniques you apply will work to strengthen your product or service, drive traffic to your site, and help you get more repeat visitors. However, you must learn to work within the limits of your resources and stick to your program. Of course, this is easier said than done, as we all know, but you will find that persistence pays off. It is your goal to learn and understand all of the many new marketing techniques that are available. And you must constantly practice your skills with your company so that you will have increased sales and customer retention. In this day and age, the internet has been revolutionized and has made many of our lives much easier. If you want to achieve true success in online business, then understand that the internet is where it all begins. How to start an online business from home, be successful with your online business. One of the most important aspects of any successful internet business is learning how to grow a successful internet business from home. If you've never done this before, you're in for quite a ride. That's why you need to be careful when you make your decisions. A lot of people want to know how to start an online business from home. They want to get started and learn as much as they can about what is involved. This is all very understandable, but you need to be careful about the direction you choose to take. The first thing that a lot of new business owners don't realize is that it's easy to lose money with your online business. The best example of this is by not having enough traffic. Having more traffic and using proven marketing methods can significantly increase your chances of being successful. Another thing that many people think they need to know how to start a successful internet business from home is that you have to pay for advertising. Again, that's understandable. There are a lot of marketing strategies that can be used in order to raise the amount of traffic to your website. What's not so understandable is the concept of paying for advertising. If you're truly wanting to learn how to start a successful internet business from home, then you need to stop thinking in terms of paying for ads. By paying for ads, you are using your own money and that has to be paid for. One of the things that many people don't realize is that there is absolutely no reason to start your online business from home unless you're working from your home office. This is because you'll be spending a lot of time away from your family. You need to find other ways to support yourself. One of the things that you should be thinking about when learning how to start an online business from home is whether or not you are able to take the necessary steps to make sure that you are self-sufficient. Without that aspect, you won't be able to fulfill your obligations. You'll need to learn how to become financially independent, and that can only happen if you're going to earn a living with your internet business. Working an online business with a full-time job is extremely tough on the mind. Many people who know how to start an online business from home are constantly worrying about their finances. While there is a lot of stress involved, there is also a lot of power and money involved as well. Anybody who has been trying to work from home has probably wondered if he or she is missing something if they have a full-time job. It's a hard situation to deal with. How to start an online business from home can help you to realize that the best option is to make sure that you are completely independent. The fact that you're able to set your own hours and manage your own time can definitely be beneficial to the growth of your internet business. The more that you know how to start online business from home, the better the chance that you'll be successful. Since so many people who are trying to start their online business from home are worried about the financial aspects, it's important to make sure that you aren't. Making sure that you're making a full-time income is one of the biggest challenges that you face with any business. The more that you learn how to start an online business from home, the more successful you'll be. Learn how to grow a successful internet business from home and then be able to use that success to help your entire life. Learning how to start an online business from home is very valuable. You won't regret the time that you invest in it. Thanks for watching my video about success with your online business. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.